Hi everyone, I'm Bhagyashree Ghosh and I'm very happy to announce something new for all of you. I am going to launch Vocabulary Tales for all of you. Yes, Unacademy Catalyst is going to present what? Vocab Tales. Vocab Tales, a new series for you, right? It's going to be a cool one where you will participate and even I will help you. What we are going to do is I will be providing you with 7 words on a daily basis, and I will be providing you its meaning beforehand, and it is going to help you to create stories. The series is going to help you to develop your creative skills. If you have those creative skills, what you can do is use these 7 words, create a story and send it to us. In the next episode, I will be featuring the best story, maybe one, maybe more than one stories may be possible. I will be featuring the best stories using those words. So this will be a fun way to learn new words and to feature your creativity in Unacademy Catalyst. You will be able to build sound vocabulary. Further, your creative talent will be heard. You will get an opportunity to let the world know your abilities are what. The best entries will be featured here. So, the more the stories you send to us, the better the chances will be that your name and your story will be featured here in this channel. You will be able to learn lots of new words. So even if you missed sending a story, it's not a big deal, because not just it's about you sending a story, it's also about me narrating you a story on a daily basis. So with a new story every day, you are learning vocabulary. So many of you complained this that I am not so good at vocabulary, so now what to do? Well, send stories, we will give you the words, make a story, you also learn, I will also broadcast it to the entire world, the entire humanity. Every one of us will learn new stories. So with every episode, new words will be there, new stories will be there. It's cool. Thinking ki now what to do, how to do everything. Telling you. In fact, in this session, I'm going to provide you 7 words because I am going to start this session soon, day after tomorrow. Firstly, let me tell you some of the features. Stay tuned till the last. If you want to know everything about the series, of course, there are certain instructions. As I just mentioned, you are going to get 7 words from me on a daily basis. You will be creating stories out of it using those words. The usage of those 7 words has to be present in your story, and how it will be presented in whatever sequence will be your wish, your creativity. There is nothing called sequence, only those 7 words have to be there. Maximum length will be of 200 words. Don't make a very long story. 200 words should be enough for that story. The best story, as I said, will be featured here in this platform. For that, you will be getting a Google link in the description there, right? So click on it, submit your story, just your name and your story has to be there. Just keep one thing in mind. Highlight those 7 words. Don't forget to do that. Every day, I am planning to keep this session right sharp at 11 a.m. in the morning. This channel, Unacademy Catalyst. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do subscribe this now, because every day at 11 a.m. we will be doing cool vocab words. Further, for the next coming session, for the first session, here is the list of 7 words with its meaning. You can see all the words are starting with CO. Yes, of course. Concord, that means harmony, agreement. Contestant means to patronize. Condone means to comment. Conductive means promoting. Concurrent, happening at the same time. Congenial, pleasant, confluence, flowing. Guys, let me tell you something. You can even Google the meaning of, you can even Google these words to get more meaning and usage of it. It's purely your wish, and there is no need to sequence the words. You can use the word in any sequence and cast your story. Just make sure all the 7 words are present and you are highlighting the words used. Include all the words. Form link is there in the description. Highlight the given word. Send your entries by 5th of April, 10 p.m. form in the description. Let's crack it. Let's know your views. Hopefully, you will like the series. Thank you.